Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the A major chord on your piano or keyboard. First, let's locate the root note, the note A. Play this with your first finger. The next note we'll need is C sharp. Play this with your third finger. The last note we'll need is the note E. Play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it, the A major chord. Now, because the A major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, or triad, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom, right? To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the note A, all the way to the top like this. Move your hand. And this is called the A major first inversion. To do one more inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, the C sharp, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called the A major second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note, this time E, all the way to the top, you will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher, right? Okay. And of course we can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with root inversion. Now move the top note all the way to the bottom, move your hand. The A major second inversion. Again move the top note all the way to the bottom, move your hand. A major first inversion. And one more time, top note to the bottom. We're back at root inversion of the A major chord. Okay, let's do it one more time. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, and root inversion. And the other way, starting with root inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom, and we're back at root inversion. Okay? So to practice these inversions, simply play like this. Okay? And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Play like this. So there you have it, guys, the A major chord. Now, before you leave, please remember to like this video if you liked my lesson, I'm sure you did, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos from me. Okay? Do it like right now. Thank you. See you. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.